deer. Jesus, that was close. Deer. So if anyone's wondering why the heck I swerved kind of towards the left lane, it's because I originally didn't see the last deer. So I thought that I was going to be fine after the second to last deer, but then I saw the last one. I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to stop in time. I thought I was going to have to go in front of the deer, but the truck actually stopped way faster than I thought it would. Of course, it being nighttime, I couldn't tell if there was any real damage, so here I am during the daylight the next day checking it out, and I don't see any damage anywhere. I think that noise you heard was not me hitting the deer. It was actually just the stuff sliding off my passenger seat hitting the dash. This little mark that I just rubbed off with my thumb was actually from the messy oil change tech at the dealership. So I got super lucky, which never happens.